Hey everybody, welcome back to the Thinking Crypto channel. I've got breaking news for you guys. We have a pro-crypto SEC chairman now in the driver's seat at the SEC. I'm going to break it down for you guys, but before we go further, we're closely approaching 50,000 subscribers. So please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you anything. Guys, Elad Roisman has been named the acting SEC chairman, and this has been confirmed by crypto mom Hester Peirce, tweeting, "Congratulations, Chairman Roisman. I look forward to your leadership of the SEC." Yeah, good riddance to Jay Clayton, the asshole who had a sucker punch move on his way out and dropping XRP by $50 billion, reducing Ripple's value as a company as well. So just a lowball move, but this is very bullish news, guys, and I'm going to break it down for you. I'm going to pull up some of the history. So Elad Roisman has been named the acting chairman of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, according to a tweet by Commissioner Hester Peirce congratulating him. The news comes a day after former chairman Jay Clayton announced that yesterday was his last day. Clayton had previously said he would step down by the end of the year. Roisman was appointed by President Trump as an SEC commissioner 2 years ago. Perceived as a friendly to cryptocurrencies in general, Roisman had served as chief counsel of the New York Stock Exchange Euronext, which was eventually sold to the Intercontinental Exchange, the parent company of Bakkt. Very big connection there. At the time of his appointment to the SEC, Roisman said the Senate Committee on Banking, Housing, and Urban Affairs that the SEC must examine and re-examine its rules, regulations, and guidelines to ensure that they are still working as intended to accomplish the SEC's mission. This is most recently manifested in areas such as data protection and cybersecurity, as well as the emergence of new investments and technologies such as initial coin offerings and blockchain. So the U.S. Senate must now confirm the nomination. So let's see what happens. Look, there's obviously, and this is not a political video, but obviously there's things going on. Biden administration, new chairman could be assigned here, which, Roisman is the acting. Let's see if he gets confirmed, but he's certainly a pro-crypto guy. Historically, he's said some very bullish things. He certainly is looking at, maybe approving a Bitcoin ETF. So this would be great if we get him approved. I personally wanted Hester Peirce to get approved, but he's not a bad backup to Hester Peirce, right? And remember, the reason why the Bitcoin ETF has not been passed is because of Jay Clayton. But Jay Clayton's on the way out. So two things. The Ripple lawsuit could be thrown out, and we can get a Bitcoin ETF. I'm hoping, guys. I'm hoping. Fingers crossed. I'm praying. This Jay Clayton news was just crazy. And once again, just a dick move on his way out. And I'm hoping, this guy can really turn things around, get the Bitcoin ETF through, get this stupid lawsuit against Ripple kicked out and whatever, right? Because I don't know if the SEC wants to go down this road. They're going to get tarnished, their reputation, because Ripple's got muscle. They have political power and they have the PR play. Brad Garlinghouse can go on TV every freaking week and talk about how the SEC's choosing, other countries over the Ripple and all, China over Ripple and the US and all of that. So there's really a really bad outcome for the SEC here, especially when, remember, this is not just about XRP. What the SEC is doing to Ripple, they're going to start doing to other cryptos, VeChain, Tezos, Chainlink, and so on and so forth. So it's not going to be good for the crypto markets. It can really roadblock a lot of things here. So definitely good news, definitely bullish news. I'm hoping he gets confirmed, and this is not a this is not a political thing or partisan thing, but rather it's just like both Democrats and Republicans are on board and they do their thing here, and we can move forward and have someone who is in the driver's seat that is pro crypto, understands crypto, and we can get some of these things cleared up. But definitely big news, definitely good news. And let's see what his initial statements and actions are going to be as he, gets into his respective seat here. And I hope he gets confirmed. That would be awesome. So guys, what do you think about this news? I think this is very big. Like I tweeted, and if you don't follow me on Twitter, please do. Like I tweeted, this is good news. This is definitely good news, and we need some with all the bad news that we've been seeing. I feel like there's some sort of shakeout trying to happen to get weak hands out, because Brian Brooks said crypto regulations are coming in 6 to 8 weeks. He said this a couple of weeks ago, right? So that means sometime in January. And then all of a sudden you see Mnuchin release this stupid crypto wallet regulation. And then all of a sudden, Jay Clayton drops this bomb on his way out, a sucker punch. And I'm wondering what's going to be the next thing that's going to shake weak hands out, right? This is not going to stop the crypto market. Long term, we are going to be huge and big, right? But short term, this is going to put some roadblocks in our way. So don't miss what's happening here. If you step back for a second and look macro level, there's a bit of shakeout happening here. And I am a big believer, and we've seen it with Jamie Dimon, we've seen it with Mark Cuban, we've seen it with some of these big guys. They will say things and do things to just shake up the market, let the prices drop, and they're accumulating. That's why JP Morgan, they are now pushing the Bitcoin narrative, right? Of course, they bought up as much as they can in the dip, and many other companies. So there's certainly the age-old smoke and mirrors move, right? They don't want to give up that power. They're going to grab up as much as they can. And if you're not well researched or well educated about what's taking place and these moves that have happened historically, and you just listen to what's said on TV by the media, you're going to fall for it, and you're going to sell, you're going to dump, you're going to get scared, right? When there's market cycles, and understand that negative news will drive the market down, but it doesn't mean it's killing the market. That's what people don't understand, that distinction. Negative news will drive any stock price, any whatever down, right? That doesn't mean it's dead, unless the government says you're done, shut down, ban it, whatever, you're going to jail, right? There's extremities here where those situations, well, then you can say, hey, the market's dead. But if they just come out with these regulations, or they just drop this stupid lawsuit on Ripple and it drops the market down, that doesn't mean Ripple's dead. That doesn't mean XRP is dead. That doesn't mean Bitcoin is dead, right? So definitely want to make that distinction and understand that the dichotomy of the situation here and these plays. So I'm very bullish. This is good news. Sometimes, like I said in my previous videos, seems these things are playing out like a theater act, like this is all planned. I'm not a conspiracy theorist, so I don't like to go down too much in that, but sometimes, these things don't seem to be coincidence. It just seems to be, hey, let's do this, drop the market, we'll put in our guys, you guys buy up in the lows, and we'll watch the market go up from there. Sometimes it seems that way. And look, that is not a far-fetched thought or thesis, right? Because a lot of these guys are here to make money. We are here to make money, and they have the control of the media. They have control of a lot of awareness and eyeballs, so they can put out something there to change the narrative to fit their favor, right? To make things work in their favor. So just some thoughts there, food for thought. Obviously, once again, I'm not some sort of conspiracy theories, but what I saw Jamie Dimon do in 2017, and now they're pushing the Bitcoin narrative, what's at play here, right? If the biggest guy on the block is doing it at JP Morgan, yeah, these hedge fund guys, some of these other folks are doing it. They're doing it. So stay informed. Thank you for watching this video. Share this video. Let's share the facts. This is good news after just a series of bad news. And let's see what we can get done here with this guy. And hopefully we get that Bitcoin ETF. Hopefully this stupid Ripple lawsuit gets thrown out. And we can go from there, guys. So, guys, what do you think about this news? Are you as bullish as I am on it? Let me know what you think. Hit the thumbs up button, share this video, and I'll talk to you guys later.